Assalamu alaikum dear students, you are again welcome to my YouTube channel. In last few videos we have discussed the story, we have discussed the lesson, science story, the fun they had. This is written by Isaac Asimov. In today's video we will discuss the textual questions related to this lesson, this story at page number 32 and 33. आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक अपने सामने रखिए, क्वेश्चंस आप वहाँ से ही लिखोगे। मैंने सिर्फ इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखे हैं। पेज नंबर 32। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, there are 6 parts of question number 1. Part first, what did Moggy write in her diary? Moggy wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. Then we have question part 2. Had Moggy ever seen a book before? No, Moggy had never seen a book before. Part 3. What things about the book did she find strange? Moggy found it strange that the words printed on the book settle वो एक ही जगह रहते थे, unlike the words on the screen which were moving. She also found it odd that the words on the page remained the same when the pages were turned back. Then we have part 4. What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is simply a digital book that can be read or displayed on a screen. Part 5. Where was Moggy's school? Did she have any classmates? Moggy's school was in her home next to her bedroom where she was taking online classes. She had not any classmates. Part number 6. What subjects did Moggy and Tommy learn? Moggy and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Now question number 2. It has many subparts also. First one, there is a lion. I wouldn't throw it away. I wouldn't throw it away. इसी लाइन के बारे में 2-3 क्वेश्चंस है, छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस है. Who says these words? Tommy says these words. Part 2. What does it refer to? It refers to computer screen. Then we have part 3. What is it being compared to by the speaker? Tommy compares the computer screen to the real books were used centuries before when the words were printed on paper. Then we have second part of this question number 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. This is a line, and इसी line के related 2-3 questions है. Who does they refer to? They refer to the students who studied in the old kind of schools centuries before the time the story is set in. Then we have what does regular mean here? Regular refers to mechanical teachers that Tommy and Moggy have. Regular teachers. Computer को regular teacher कहते थे. Third one, what is it contrasted with? उसको किस चीज़ के साथ contrast किया जाता है, compare किया जाता है. The mechanical teacher is contrasted with the teacher of earlier times who were human beings. Human beings के साथ इसको contrast किया जाता है. Then we have question number 3. Page number 33 पर है ये question number 3. इसके भी 8 parts है. Part 1. What kind of teachers did Moggy and Tommy have? Moggy and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were large and black and ugly and had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. These teachers had a slot in which the students had to put their homework and test papers. These mechanical teachers calculated their marks in no time. That means immediately. Then we have part 2. Why did Moggy's mother send for the county inspector? When Moggy's performance got worse after giving money tests in geography, her mother sent for the county inspector to rectify that. Actually, the mechanical teacher had got some problem which was removed by the county inspector. What did he do? County inspector ने फिर क्या किया? उसने संभाला उस टीचर को, ठीक किया. The county inspector examined the mechanical teacher which had got some problem. The geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick. The county inspector slowed it down. यहाँ up लिखा गया है, slowed it down to an average 10-year level. Sorry, हम up के बदले आप down लिखिए. Then we have question number 4. Why was Moggy doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Moggy was doing badly in geography as the geography sector of the teacher was geared a little too quick. The county inspector fixed the problem of the mechanical teacher by slowing it down to an average 10-year level. उसकी level के हिसाब से उसको उसकी speed रखी. Then we have fifth one. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Once the history sector of Tommy's teacher had blanked out completely. We can simply say deleted. The county inspector could not fix it there and so took it along with him for nearly a month, and after that it was fixed. Then we have question number 6. Did Moggy have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Moggy had regular days and hours for school. Every day her teacher would be ready for her at the same time except Saturday and Sunday. Her mother believed that girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Then we have question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? According to Tommy, the old kind of school had a special building and all kids went there. Students of same age learned the same thing. Their men used to teach them. Their men used to teach them and not the mechanical teachers. Their human beings used to teach them and not mechanical teachers. ये भी हम लिख सकते हैं. Then we have question number 8, last part of this third question. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Old kind of teachers were human beings. They used to teach children in special buildings called schools. All kids of neighborhood used to went there where they were taught by these teachers. Then we have question number 4. It has also 3 parts, part 1, 2 and 3. First of all, we will discuss the part 1. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Moggy and Tommy have in the story? Moggy and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. They had a slot in which students had to put their answers and homework. These teachers were regular teachers. They would appear at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. To write their answers, the students had to use the punch code, and these teachers calculated their marks immediately. Their schools were in their own houses. They had no classmates. They learned geography, history, and arithmetic. They had regular days and hours for school, which helped them to learn in a better and regular manner. Now, part 2 of this question. Why did Moggy hate school? उसको school से क्यों नफरत थी? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? उसको लगता था पुराने स्कूल ही अच्छे थे. इसी सवाल का आंसर है Moggy hated school because it was not fun. उसके जो स्कूल थे वो बोरिंग थे. अपने क्लास में दिन भर बैठना, दिन भर एक ही कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ देखना, वहाँ पढ़ना. It was too much boring. It was not fun. A mechanical teacher used to teach her every day at a fixed time. Recently, she had been doing badly in the geography test that her mechanical teacher had been giving to her. Her mother sends for the county inspector to restore it. Moggy hopes that the inspector would take the mechanical teacher away as was done in case of Tommy's teacher. She is disappointed as the county inspector managed to assemble all the parts of the mechanical teacher. The part she hated the most was inserting the homework and test papers in the slot. She did not like the fact that she had to write her answers in a punch code. She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun as she imagined all the kids from the entire neighborhood coming together, laughing and shouting in the school yard. She imagined that they would sit together in the classroom and go home together at the end of the day. They would learn the same thing and could help one another with the homework and talk about. Also, the teachers were human beings. All these aspects made her believe that the old kind of schools must have been fun. Now, part 3 of this lesson. Last question of this lesson, simply, do you agree with Mogi that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story? Give reasons for your answer. ये बिल्कुल उसी सवाल की तरह है जो पार्ट 2 है. क्या आपको लगता है, अगर आपको लगता है कि आज के स्कूल अच्छे हैं उन स्कूलों की नस्बत जो इस स्टोरी में बयान किए गए हैं, तो आपको रीज़न देना है उसके लिए कैसे. I fully agree with Mogi that the schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. In the schools of Mogi and Tommy, there is no interaction among students regarding studies. Studying and answering questions seem to be a boring idea. Doing homework in a punch code is also boring. Children develop a better understanding about each other and of their surroundings when they go to school and interact with each other. It is a healthier way of learning. Listening to teachers is more interesting than reading the entire lesson on a computer. If any student faces any problem, he can discuss it with his teacher and friend. This is not possible with a mechanical teacher. The excitement of waiting to know the marks scored in exams is greater than the marks calculated immediately after a test has been taken. Finally, the friends which one makes us at a school are the best treasure in the world and in one's life. The various morals and values that one learns in school are best things which one cannot learn from a mechanical teacher or in a school which is mentioned in the lesson. मॉरल इखलाक हम टीचर स्कूल में सीखते हैं, हमारे दोस्त बनते हैं, हम हर रोज़ अपने दोस्तों के साथ गपशप करते हैं, बातें करते हैं, अपने फीलिंग्स और ये जो ख्यालात हैं उनसे शेयर करते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल in those schools which Tommy and Moggy have. These were 4 textual questions and their subparts. In next video we will discuss the language work of this lesson and grammar also. Till that, goodbye.